Okay, so today we're going to start with what did I do with the TV. If you remember from the video, there was a big old Fatback set up in here inside this cabinet, and we decided to put up a flat screen. Now I've seen a lot of people just board over and put up a flat screen, but I kind of wanted to keep, oh there's my hat, the cabinet inside. So I'll show you what we did here. Oy, 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 oy. Alright, so this is the original frame, and the TV sat inside here. All I did was I went down to the Home Depot and got a project board, which is not plywood, although you could probably get away with plywood. Cut it down to size. Got a continuous piano hinge, also from Home Depot. Screwed it on there. Got a little latch here so I could hold it open. So as you can see, the TV is still on. All the wires run right here. We've got HDMI cable to the Blu-ray and the cable. And then if you pop the latch, you can set the whole TV down. And then if you look up top here, we velcroed on an old Apple TV that I had sitting around the house. Although I think it's about time we updated it. And then later on, eventually I will put an outside router and an inside router in here so I can repeat Wi-Fi within the motorhome. And let's do this. All right. If you pull these two little strings down here, you can pop the whole TV up, and as you can see, it just hangs there on a mount. TV is super light. Snaps back into place. And that's what we did with the TV. Now let me show you what we did back here. Oof. Let's turn on the light here. For those of you with Bounders, there's a shelf there for another Fatback TV. All I did was mount an articulating arm on here and put another TV, let's back up so we can see this, on the wall. Works out pretty good. Moves around a little bit when I drive, but hasn't hurt anything. Other than that, I think we're good to go. That's what we did with the TVs. Next video, I think we're going to do the rock wall. Give you a sneak peek of that real quick here. So I'll explain the rock wall to you next video. Stay tuned.